Hey there, my name is Liz and I have some exciting news to share with you today. We have some great new additions to our task management feature, including the ability to create recurring tasks, which will make managing your business easier and more efficient than ever before. If you want a quick recap on our task management feature, I've linked a video in the description below where you can take a look. But without further ado, let's walk through our new task management features together. Alrighty, so hopping into Core, you can see I'm in the Communication Tasks tab, and a quick new feature highlight here, we have a new arrow which lets you collapse the left-hand navigation menu if you want more screen to show. Alright, so let's go over the new additions. So if you go to Plus Task, you see this new option to create a recurring task. So we at Wodify here always like to use taking out the trash as an example. So before recurring tasks was an option, if I wanted certain staff members to take out the trash every single day, I would need to create multiple separate tasks with a due date for every single day for the same activity. So obviously this is time consuming, so we now have the option to make it recurring. So let's name this Take Out the Trash. And this is a great time to highlight another new feature we have, which is assigning to employee segments. So if I click Assignee here, you can see that I automatically have segments created in my environment, so you should have those as well. So if all of your admins in your business are responsible for this, but just one of them takes it over each day, you could select all admins. For this example though, I actually have a segment that I've created called Front Desk Staff, and those at my gym are the people who take it out every single day. Now, when you're assigning it to an employee segment, only one person needs to check it off for it to be completed, and it'll mark it as complete for everybody. So me assigning this to the front desk staff, I don't necessarily know who's working every day, but as long as at least one of them checks it off, it'll mark it as complete for that day. So now let's head into the recurring option. So I want the first due date to be tomorrow. I want this to repeat every day, so I'm gonna keep it every one day, but you can have it be every week, every month, every year, up to you. And then in terms of when it ends, I want this task to never end. I want the trash taken out every single day. But for you, you have the option to have a specific date you want this to end on, or after a certain amount of occurrences. So maybe after 10 times, you want this to end. So for this example, I want this to never end, like I mentioned. Once you hit confirm and then create down here, you can see that new task was created to take out the trash, assigned to the front desk staff, and the first due date is tomorrow. And you have the recurring symbol here. It's also good to note that a new feature we added was the ability to get push notifications when tasks are created. So if you want that option, just make sure your push notifications are enabled in the Wodify mobile app in your settings. Now, I do want to quickly highlight the benefits of each of these new features and the value it really brings to you as a business owner. So first, obviously, creating recurring tasks is a breeze. It's easy. Creating a repetitive task one time really allows you to step back from your computer, no longer worry about creating those tasks. You only have to set them up once. And then with the ability to create those employee segments, this really allows for precise and accurate task distribution. So again, no more multiple clicks, inaccuracies, or creating redundant tasks for the same group of users when it's not necessary. And lastly, with push notifications that I just mentioned, this lets your employees know when you create a task for them and also just holds them accountable. So those timely reminders and notifications really ensure that tasks don't slip through the cracks and truly fosters a culture of responsibility and reliability among your staff. So we highly recommend turning these on because, for example, for the trash, it could just be piling up, who knows, because although a formal process was created for this, can easily fall through the cracks and have staff miss out on knowing it needs to be done. And those are some of the benefits. And there you have it. Overall, I hope you're as excited as we are about our new task management features. We believe it will be a game changer for your fitness business, bringing order, efficiency, and increased customer satisfaction. We're here to support you every step of the way as you explore and implement these new additions. So if you have any questions or need assistance, please don't hesitate to email our support team at support@wodify.com. I've also dropped a few additional resources in the description below if you want to take a look. Other than that, thanks for watching and have a great rest of your day.